welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this style, as well as talking to you about different styles you can achieve to get this look. I'm using the crochet boho hair. So y'all probably seen the viral TikTok method of installing your crochet hair to get the boho look. So you do individual plaits and then you just crochet the hair onto the plaits. I'm going to show you that technique, but I'm also going to show you how I achieve this look and how you can install this hair to be able to keep it and reuse it. So yeah, if you guys are interested, make sure you continue to watch. To begin, I've already prepped my hair and separated and put it on my braid stand. And for my natural hair, I am just going in with the blow dryer and just blowing everything out. The hair that I'm installing is from Ywigs. This is their boho curly hair. I will have this specific hair linked down below. I love the curl pattern on this hair. I've used multiple different curl patterns in the past, and this tight curl has to be one of my favorites. I just love the look of it. This is the braid gel that I'm going to be using. So this first technique that I'm going to be showing you guys is the easiest way. It's beginner friendly. If you know how to do a plait, you can definitely achieve this boho style. So you just do one plait, and then you take your crochet hair and you just crochet the hair onto this one plait. And it's easy as that. Add as many pieces as you want. I recommend adding at least 4 to it, and then you can also add a piece at the end of your hair and just continue to like braid down so it can add that length. But I ended up taking this out. So I'm just taking it out, and it's super easy to take out. I will say over time it may get a little tangled and it may be a little bit more tedious after you have worn your style for a little while. But this is how I'm going to do my hair, just because I know how to feed in hair and I want my braids to last a little bit longer. I don't want them to get frizzy, so I just braid it down at least like 2 times, and then I'm just going to go ahead and feed in a small amount of hair. And this is just going to make the braid a little bit more stronger in my opinion. And then I'm going to go in and add some of the crochet hair, but I'm also going to add some more at the end. So let me show you how I'm going to add in the crochet hair. So I just cut the crochet hair in half, and I'm taking one side of it and just braiding it in. I'm feeding it in just like I would normally do, and I'm just going to braid down. But later on, I am going to go in and add in some more crochet hair, and I'm just going to crochet it in, but I'll show you guys that a little later. But for now, I'm just going to show you how I do the braids in the back and, well, all over, and how I'm feeding in the curly pieces. And then later on, I'll show you how I crochet in more of the curly pieces just to make it a little bit more full. But like I said earlier, if you don't know how to feed in hair, definitely do the first technique and you will get this boho look as well. I just wanted my braids to be a little longer. I do want to point out that the hair that I'm installing from Ywigs is their upgraded crochet boho human hair. So the difference between this hair and the other crochet human hair is the fact that the center line is longer, and this is designed specifically for braiding for the boho look, because it's going to help those curls blend naturally into the braids, and it creates a cleaner and fuller boho look. So this is a little different from the traditional crochet method because it has a longer center line. So if you try to install this in for like, you know, a regular crochet look, it's not going to look right because the center line, the thread in the middle, is longer. Alright you guys, so my braids look good. It's a few days later. I wanted to wear them and really see like how I was feeling about them, if I wanted to be a little bit more full. So this is what they look like after adding in the pieces. So what I initially did was, so it's multiple ways you can achieve the boho look. If you don't know how to feed in hair into the braid, I feel like just doing regular plaits and then just crocheting the hair onto the plaits, each plait, like maybe like 4 or 5 pieces onto each plait, will definitely give you that nice boho look like I showed you guys in the beginning. And then if you know how to feed in hair, I feel like the thing with me, I felt like my hair would last longer if I fed in Kakelon hair to just help it be as frizzy. So that's the reason why I added in Kakelon hair, and I just wanted them to be longer. I wanted the braids to be longer. But some pieces I did go in and I just crocheted just pieces onto the braid, and I'm getting ready to go in now and add in some more pieces just because I want it to be a little bit more fuller with a little bit more curls. So you can do it that first way where you just do plaits, or you could just do just regular knotless braids and then just add in the crochet pieces later, like last, if you don't know how to feed in the curly hair. Or you could do it like I did it and cut this in half and braid in a piece of curly hair. That way you're still able to save and reuse the hair, because when you take the braids out, the hair is still going to be attached to this string. So you just take the string out and you're just going to shampoo the hair and save it for your next install. So either way you do it, you're going to be able to reuse this hair. But now what I'm going to do is go in and I'm going to add in more curly pieces. You want to take your crochet needle and you just go in, attach the hair, close your needle, pull it through, and you're just going to take this end of the hair through, just like doing regular crochet, and boom, just added some more curls to it. So we're going to do that to a lot of the pieces and work my way to the front. So we're gonna open up another pack and get some of the curly pieces out of here. I'm loving, you know, the curliness that it's giving me now. So y'all see the difference? Definitely looks a lot better with more of the curly pieces. I'll probably just continue to just go through and add more curly pieces, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. But I absolutely love how it looks with more curly pieces added. Girl, this looks so much better. Even like pulling it to the side now, it's more curly. That looks so much better. When you're adding them in, you want to add them down the strand just to balance everything out so it can look even, so it's not just like super full at the top and then when you get to the bottom it's not matching the top, you know what I'm saying? So it's like full at the top and then it's all thin right here. So this looks so good with more curly pieces. Like I am absolutely feeling these braids so much more now. Because at first I'm like, oh, this is cute, but it's not giving ba-boom, you know? It was simple. I feel like this is great for like if you have just regular braids, and even if you get your hair braided, you know how sometimes the braiders charge extra, majority of the time they charge extra to add the boho pieces in. You can do it yourself. Just get regular knotless braids and you can add in these curly pieces yourself later on, and you can take them out and reuse them. All right, y'all, so y'all see how full it looks now compared to earlier. It just looks complete. now. Looks so complete. Absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And I do have some more hair left over, so I may, you know, put some more curly pieces in. But for now, I feel like this is good. It's not heavy or anything. I feel like if I put more, it may start to get a little heavy, and I don't like for my hair to be heavy. So this is so pretty, so pretty. Let me go put my lipstick on, y'all, and I will be right back. All right, girls, so here we go. This is the finished look. Absolutely love how it turned out. Looks so beautiful, just so effortless. If you're looking for curly boho hair pieces to go into your braids, definitely check out Ywigs. I will have the exact ones that I used today linked down below in the description box. But I just love how full it looks now. I just keep saying that because it really transformed the look. Like, the braids were cute before. It was giving cute, but now it's just giving boho. Like, fabulous. Like, oh, I love it. So yeah, girl, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you found this video useful. Showed you guys a couple of different ways you can use these different crochet hair pieces. Like I said before, if you don't know how to do braids, if you just know how to plait, you can achieve this look with the plaits. And all you have to do is just plait your hair up and just install these individual crochet pieces, and you can reuse this hair. I will say, it is going to be a little tedious taking these out because I've done crochet pieces like this all over my head before, and it becomes a little tedious, but the style lasts, and it is like a protective style. These are lightweight, so it's not heavy on your hair, but that's the only thing, is it's just a little tedious when it comes to taking the hair out. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.